Transport is responsible for 20% of the world's CO2 emissions. The never-ending demand of transport requires some radical changes in order to reduce these emissions. To control traffic and overall increase driving efficiency and fuel saving, smart traffic signals can be implemented. Smart traffic signals are a vehicle traffic control system that combines traditional traffic lights with an array of sensors and artificial intelligence to route vehicle and pedestrian traffic. All traffic signals will be connected to a cloud service which will be available on an application. On entering the vehicle, the driver must enter his or her destination in the application, which will provide the driver with the shortest and fastest route to reach the desired location. It will show all the traffic signals on your route and their current status, that is, if they're green or red. The application will notify you to accelerate or slow down in order to avoid sudden braking and perform even acceleration based on the same data. The application will also notify you to turn off the vehicle when you're idling at a signal and the time left for the signal to start is more than 10 seconds. Each traffic signal will be equipped with video image processors which will have cameras to capture the images and run image processing algorithms. At junctions, they will sense intensity of traffic with the help of cameras and accordingly adjust wait time to reduce idling of heavy traffic. Bad driving habits like hard acceleration have been shown to be responsible for 25% of overall fuel consumption. This can be tackled by our idea of equipping vehicles with smart acceleration. This smart acceleration would be a computer type intelligent device which we would call nodes. All these nodes would be connected to a server along with smart traffic signals. Vehicles will not be equipped with an accelerator but will instead have a push button present on the steering wheel. When the driver wants to move forward, the button needs to be pressed continuously. The engine control module will regulate the engine throttle according to the data from the smart signals and will then accelerate gradually in accordance with achieving the best efficiency of the car. The smart accelerator processes proximity sensor data to determine if there's another vehicle in front of the car. When approaching a signal or an obstacle, simply remove your hand off the button and the brake control module checks the vehicle speed and applies the brakes when necessary. Vehicles not equipped with smart accelerator can opt for the mobile phone service. The car owner will have to install the MG811 CO2 gas sensor in the exhaust, which is highly sensitive to CO2. The sensor, being compatible with Raspberry Pi, will collect data in ppm and communicate with the smart traffic signal app, providing it with real-time data. The driver can view his emissions on the application and can compare them to ideal values of emissions, which can be set according to the function of the vehicles having smart acceleration. General data like carbon emissions, fuel consumption, average distance traveled, braking habits would be monitored over a certain period of time by the nodes. After this, data would be analyzed and useful conclusions drawn from all registered vehicles would be sent to the server. Processes like this will help authorities to monitor carbon emitted by a vehicle. If a vehicle is found to emit more carbon than permissible levels based on its distance to destination, its driver would be penalized. Funds collected would be used to plant more trees to compensate for carbon emission. Data collected on carbon emission and fuel consumption would be displayed to driver on screen so that the person is aware of his own carbon footprint. If carbon emissions of the proposed journey goes beyond limit as calculated by the nodes according to its predictions, then it will warn the driver beforehand about it. Several modifications made in cars can also help to reduce their carbon footprint. Vehicles can be equipped with an active suspension system which consists of an ECU, adjustable shocks and springs, and sensors at each wheel. With active suspension, vehicles can avoid braking over potholes to avoid energy loss and ensure perfect comfort. Tire pressure in cars at 40% below the recommended level increases fuel consumption by 8%. This can be tackled by equipping cars with tire pressure detector, which measure the tire pressure with the help of an inbuilt barometer and will alert the driver about it on the application. Elimination of side view mirrors and using cameras instead of them, which can be viewed on the rear view mirror itself, can help reduce drag and is much safer than the former due to elimination of blind spots. Eliminating side view mirrors is estimated to improve fuel efficiency as much as 5%. The application and network interfaces will have authentication, encryption, and message integrity verification to ensure that telematics data cannot be read or forged by malicious parties. Over-the-air updates will be digitally signed firmware to verify that updates come from a trusted source. We at DJI Smiles strongly believe in the potential of smart traffic signals and smart acceleration. With further research and expansion, this concept can be transformed into a product of the future. Thank you.